Have you ever wondered how a simple story can transform a regular family dinner into an unforgettable learning experience for you and your child? Today, we're diving into how storytelling can be a powerful means of developing problem solving skills in children. We all tell stories in one form or another, but have we paused to consider how these stories can be structured to cultivate critical thinking and creativity in our kids? Storytelling isn't just a way to pass time or entertain, it can be an educational adventure, a medium through which we inculcate essential life skills. The beauty of storytelling lies in its ability to capture the imagination of children while providing a context for learning. When children are engaged in stories, they are presented with scenarios, often involving dilemmas or puzzles that can mimic real life challenges. This connection between storytelling and problem solving is profound. It offers a safe space for children to experiment with ideas, a sandbox where they can test solutions without fear of repercussions. This experience not only develops their problem solving skills, but also builds confidence as they approach other challenges in life. So, how can fathers create relatable fictional scenarios that resonate with their kids? Well, it's all about understanding what piques your child's interest. Whether it's dinosaurs, superheroes, or outer space, embedding these elements into your narrative ensures that your child will be both interested and engaged. Start by introducing a character or a setting that your child can relate to, and then weave in a simple problem or challenge. For instance, imagine if your favorite superhero lost all their powers overnight. How would they solve everyday problems without them? Integrating storytelling into daily routines is easier than you might think. Use dinner time as a storytelling stage, a moment when the whole family is gathered. It's an opportunity that can turn the mundane into magic with just a little creativity. Begin by asking open-ended questions or introducing a what-if scenario. Allow your children to take part in the storytelling, encouraging them to provide direction for the narrative. Once upon a time at our dinner table can be the beginning of an exciting journey where everyone can contribute. To spark discussions, consider simple storytelling prompts. For example, suppose we found a mysterious map under the dining table. Where might it lead? Such questions not only fuel the imagination, but also encourage children to think critically. They learn to consider possibilities and evaluate different outcomes, which are key components of problem solving. Imaginative narratives have a significant impact on critical thinking and creativity by providing scenarios where children must analyze, synthesize, and evaluate information. They develop the skills to create alternative solutions and face challenges with an open, flexible mindset. When they engage in storytelling, they start seeing problems not just as obstacles, but as opportunities to explore new ideas. Encouraging children to think outside the box through guided storytelling involves letting go of predefined outcomes. Fathers should cultivate a supportive environment where children feel comfortable expressing their thoughts, regardless of how unconventional they might be. Offer positive reinforcement to build their confidence and validate their unique perspectives. Fathers can model problem solving through storytelling by demonstrating how they approach challenges within stories. You could say, in this situation, I'd start by thinking about what resources I have, and then invite your child to suggest alternative methods. This process shows children practical approaches they can emulate while reinforcing their problem solving toolkit. It's important to assess your child's understanding and engagement during these storytelling sessions. Ask follow-up questions like, what would you do differently? Or, why do you think that solution works? These questions prompt your child to reflect on their ideas and articulate their reasoning, deepening their comprehension and involvement. Ultimately, storytelling can lead to stronger emotional bonds between fathers and children. These shared experiences create a sense of unity and warmth, fostering an environment of trust and open communication. As you cultivate this habit, you'll not only teach critical life skills, but also fill your home with cherished memories and traditions that endure.